Hello friends, today I'll show you how to install JDK 1.8 version in your computer. So to do this, first of all you need to download the JDK installer and save it somewhere in your computer. For me, I have downloaded the installer from Oracle site and I have saved this installer to this particular directory. Once you have this installer ready, double click on this, then there will be one window open and it will ask you to click on the particular button which is next or something, and from there you can start the installation. So what is happening, since I have already installed the JDK 1.8 in my computer, so I am getting this error saying that already installed. But if you are doing the first time, then you will not get this error and you will get the new window. And in that window, it will ask to select the local directory where you want to install this particular JDK 1.8 version, and after that it will ask you to accept the uh, agreement. Once you accept the agreement, the installer process will start, and after finishing the installation you can click on the finish button at last. Since I have already installed, so I'm not able to show you in the wizard, but that's the only process which you need to follow for the installation. So let's say our installation is completed, and hopefully maybe you have selected your own directory to install this JDK, but for me I have selected this directory to install this JDK version in Windows 10. So now since we have already installed the JDK and now I want to set the Java home environment variable. So to do that, what we need to do, we have two options, like either we can go through the command prompt or we can do this through the computer property window. So I'll tell you both like one by one. So if you want to set this Java home environment variable through the command prompt, then simply go and type cmd in the search box. You will see this command prompt and click on the run as administrator. Then this window will open. Once you see this window, what you need to do, you need to type like you need to type this command like set java home. So I'll show you how to do this. I'll type this just for your reference: java home set java home. After that you click enter, then next prompt will open. Then you need to set the path. So to set the path, just copy this and paste here. So maybe for your case this path may be different because it depends where you have installed the JDK 1.8.0. now click OK. Now you want to check whether the JDK Java home environment variable is set up correctly or not. So to do that, use echo command, echo this like this, click enter. Then here you see this is showing, it means I have set the Java home environment variable correctly. So if you are not getting the path, the one which you have set through this set Java home, then it means it's not set correctly. So this is how we set the Java home environment variable through the command prompt. Now I'll tell you how to do the setting through the property. So for that, type here PC and you will see like this, and then click on property. So once you click on property, this window will open. Click on this advanced system and setting, then you will get this window. Here you see environment variable. Click on this and click on new. So here you need to type java underscore home like this, and in this variable value you need to give the path where you have installed the Java. So please note that whenever you are giving the value for this variable, don't give the bin, you need to give till here. don't select the bin folder. So this is very much important. So once you do that, click on OK. Since I have already set up the Java home variable, so I'm not filling this information. So but in your case, you need to give the variable name, which is java underscore home, and you need to give the variable value, which is the path of the JDK installation. After that, you need to set the path. So to do that, select the path, then click on edit, then click on new. Once you click on new, here it will ask the path. So here you need to give the same path, which you have given for the Java home variable. Once you give this, click on OK, and then you are all set. I'm not giving the value because I have already set the path. So for me it's already set up, so I'm clicking on the cancel button. But for in your case, you need to give the path and then click the OK button. So this is how we set the Java home environment variable, and finally our JDK installation on Windows 10 and Java home variable is set up for the future use. So friends, if you like my video, please click on the like button, share, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching my video.